So today's topic is inspired by a video that I seen on the Star. Big up to the Star. They're always giving me topics to talk about. Yeah. So it says promoter defends Jamaican male strippers. Even promoter and marketer Mastro Debrier, whatever his name is, Mastro Debrier has come out in strong defense of his male monthly stripper event Male Revenue. The promoter received some amount of backlash on social media after he posted photos of some of his male strippers employees wearing skimpy clothing on his personal page. However, he believed Jamaican ought to be more open-minded, and he also pointed out that the bulk of the backlash comes from insecure men. Men are generally insecure if you know what to look at the amount of domestic violence cases that ended up tragically. It shows that as men we are very insecure when it comes to a woman, he said. And that's where I'll stop with that article. So, Jamaica is finally getting male strippers. We're about to have some Magic Mike action up in Jamaica. But, on a serious note, I actually can appreciate that Jamaica has male strippers now. I can actually appreciate that Jamaica has male strippers now. It's only right. It's only fair. You have places like Taboo in Kingston. You have places like Scrubadub and Negril, and those are female strippers or strip clubs that are for men, basically. So it's only right and it's only fair that we Jamaican women get our male strippers also. Okay. It's not fair that the guys can have strippers but we can't. And I love how he pointed out that it's men, Jamaican men, that are given the most backlash as to the male stripper is concerned. Jamaican men. And yeah, as we can see in recent time and recent news, that our men have been going through a lot as far as insecurities and all these things as far as their woman is concerned, because from what they appear killing me, I see pay man, they kill them woman and they kill them wife and kill them pitney and all these things. And quite honestly, I think that it stems from mental illness, it stems from a whole other portions of things in Jamaica. People can't find job, people can't feed them pitney, people feel like, oh, my girlfriend and my boyfriend are the only thing we have, and if them left me, what else do I have? Okay, so it stems from a lot of things. But back to the topic. I can appreciate that there is a male strip club in Jamaica. It's only right. Like, what if a woman want to have a bachelorette party? What if someone turns 21 and they want a strip club, like a male stripper themed party? Because I know a lot of 21-year-olds, and when they turn 21, that's what they do. They make male strippers come to their hotel room and give them a lap dance or give them striptease or whatever you want to call it. And that's how they celebrate their 21st birthday. So it's only right. If male can have something, females can have it. We're on equal playing fields as far as I'm concerned. And as far as society now is concerned, because women get paid just as much as men get paid right now, and we're in just as high positions as male are. And in the 19s, 20s, or 2000s, early 2000s, when men used to get more money that way and all these things, civilized time called for civilized measures, and the man them need to feel secure. And our Jamaican men need to feel secure in themselves and know that Jamaican women, well, real Jamaican women, not go on a stripper for their weight and all these things. But I may be speaking for myself, not everybody. Everybody have them different type and all these things. But most Jamaican men will go to strip club and get infatuated with strippers and want to wife them up and take them out of the strip club. And Stevie and Jocelyn is a prime example. Black China and Tiger is a prime example. You can take the stripper out the strip club, but you can't take the club out the stripper. Or 111 ride or whatever the case may be. But we know most Jamaican women don't want no stripper for them man. Or maybe I'm talking for myself and not all Jamaican. Come in the comment section, all of my woman them and tell me if Uno would have with my stripper. That's his legit job. He's a stripper. Comment down below. And all the males too. Comment down below and tell me if you're the wife and they would want female stripper. Because some men have it in their mind or in the theory that they're a whore and they're actually doing it publicly, so they respect their grind basically. And they not hide and say them a this and say them a that when they're really not. So to each their own. I want my subscribers to comment down below and tell me what you guys think about this topic. Tell me what you guys think about male strippers. Tell me what you think about female stripper. Tell me what you think about male strippers actually being in Jamaica for the first time, because I've never heard of male strippers being in Jamaica ever before. So if you like this video, please forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Peace.